So just getting straight into the eyebrow tutorial, I'm just going to use a powder from Cosette. This is Cosette's Infinite Matte Eyeshadow in the shade Burnish, and I'm just going to line the bottom of my brows using Nanshi's Angled Detailer brush. Make sure to follow the natural shape of the brows, this would make it appear more natural. Then I'm going to outline the top, again following the natural shape. You're just filling in any sparse areas that your hairs don't cover. I like the ombre look, meaning the front of the brows are lighter in comparison to the tail. Therefore making sure I start a third of the way. Concealer will define it later. Then fill in the outline, making sure to keep a light hand at the front. I like to use hair-like strokes to make it appear more natural looking. Using a spoolie at the front will remove the appearance of a harsh line and give you that ombre effect. Then with Nanshi's lip brush, I use Ofra's Absolute Cover Silk Peptide Foundation in 01 to conceal the brows. This is just cleaning out any unwanted product and gives your brows a more defined look. You can see how I didn't put much product at the front, but when I conceal it, you can definitely see the front is more visible and more defined. Blend the product into the rest of your foundation. So this is my brow with makeup and this is without. You can definitely see the difference tinting your brows make. And this is still wearable for everyday, nothing too dramatic. In this video, I wanted to show you how to achieve natural looking brows for everyday wear. However, if you wanted a higher arch or darker brows as seen on Instagram, please let me know in the comments below and I can definitely show you how. All the products used in this tutorial can be bought on Beaudazzled.com. Please follow us on all our social media listed below. Thank you for watching.